Somebody better get Doofy a candy bar. I think he's having a seizure or something.
No, dude. He's okay.
Well then, what's he doing?
He's doing the rain dance, dude. He's really good at it.
Yeah, he keeps a dancing and it keeps a raining.
There's no music playing. There isn't?
He has to keep quiet so Hero doesn't hear him.
Oh, okay.
What the hell is wrong with him?
He stepped on an anthill, and now he's got fire ants in his pants.
Well, throw him out in the rain. That should take care of the fire part. And the rest of you slackers, get busy. There's plenty to do inside today. There's backing to be put in. That soffit still needs to be built. And damn it, Reggie, are you ever going to get this floor wired up?
Probably not.
What?
Probably tomorrow.
I'm going to the supply house, so get busy. There better be something done when I get back here.
I'm the only one that does anything around here. I'm a policeman. I don't do a damn thing I say ever.
Jeez. I love rainy days. They're so peaceful.
I love rain days because we get to just sit here and relax.
Yeah, man. I need to take the edge off.
No, you don't need to take the edge off. You guys never do anything anyhow.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
You guys really need to be in the right frame of mind and ready to work in case it stops raining. You don't want to fall off the roof, do you?
You mean like you always do?
Remember that time when Carl ate all that warm sauerkraut for lunch and then spent the rest of the day running to the porta potty? Look out! Whoa! Look at that behemoth go!
Oh no! Hey, Cooper.
What's up, dude?
I'm okay.
Looks like Gary's having turd stew today.
Dude, that's blue poo on you.
Gary, you're a jerk.
Son of a bitch! You fat piece of shit! God. That wasn't funny.
Yeah, it was.
That goo turned him blue for 2 weeks.
Hero was so pissed about that porta potty.
Yeah, he made us clean that up, man.
Yeah, dude, that gave me the blues.
So what do you think Hero's really doing? I mean, you know, when he goes to the supply house, he's gone for hours. And it only takes 20 minutes to get there. And all he's getting is a box of nails.
He's probably at a how to be a dick seminar.
You mean like the one you teach?
Welcome to Quack in the Box, where we solve all your problems in 60 seconds. Go ahead with your order when you're ready.
I think I'll take a number 2.
Oh, okay, sir. One second.
This is a bunch of shit.
Okay. Let's see. Okay. What seems to be bothering you today, sir?
Well, I guess the guys don't listen to me.
I see. Well, how does that make you feel?
Not good. It's like they don't respect me at all, you know. Like they're always trying to trick me into thinking they're working when they're really just screwing off all day.
I see. Well, how does that make you feel?
Well, like crap.
Well, what do you do when they ignore you? Or when they treat you like you're just a big joke, like you're too dumb to understand what's going on, that you just kissed enough ass to get a job you're not even qualified for and have no idea what you're I see.
Well, what should I do?
Just one moment, please. You need to put on your big boy panties and grow a pair. Act like you're in charge and you know what you're doing. Maybe they would respect you a little if you gave them a reason to. Will there be anything else? Okay. Would you like to add our happy antidepressant pack for only $12.99?
No thanks.
Okay. Your total will be $129.99 at the window, please.
Just what a ripoff. Bunch of bullshit.
I guess you guys were right. I can't get out of this. This is just like the time when they tied him to a chair and blindfolded him for a magic trick, and then put him out in Hero's parking spot.
Yeah.
That wasn't very nice.
Hey, dude, remember that time we were making brownies and we went to Gary's house to borrow some eggs?
Yeah, that was crazy, man.
Dude, I don't know.
Huh?
I mean, Gary's a bit of a dick, dude. I don't think he would give us an egg even if he had a whole bunch of them.
You don't know, man. I mean, we always offer to share what we got with him.
Yeah, I guess so, dude. Dude, remember the first time we stopped over at Gary's house and we were like, man, where are your pants?
Dude, it sounds like he's whipping up a batch by hand.
A batch of mac and cheese.
Go away!
Gary?
What the fuck do you want? Just go away!
Wait, dude.
Candygram.
What the hell do you Tolkien twins want? You know what? Just get out! I'm very busy. I don't have time for whatever half-baked problem you guys have.
Chill, dude. We just wanted to borrow some eggs, for
No!
brownies.
Now get out!
Dude.
Now, where were we, Miss Chloe? Ah, yes. We were looking for a nice outfit for your party. Ooh. Now, here we go. That's a hot little number. Wow. Oh, that tail goes for miles. Ooh, yeah. That's a hot little pussy.
Dude, what the hell is he doing?
I don't know, man. It's like too much to process. I mean,
The dude's looking at kitty porn.
Oh man, that's awful. You got a real problem, Gary.
I think that's illegal, isn't it?
in most states, yeah, man.
Wait, what?
Ugh, what's wrong with you?
Yeah, dude, that's just wrong.
Come on, Gary, that's sick.
You belong in an institution. Maybe they can help you.
I think you go to hell for looking at kitty porn, Gary.
Yeah, you're going to hell.
What? Wait, I wasn't looking at
Dude.
kitty porn.
Gary, they saw you.
I wasn't looking at kitty porn, you assholes.
Okay, Gary.
Yeah, sure.
It wasn't child pornography, you idiots.
Well, what were you doing then?
Yeah.
It wasn't kitty porn. It was kitty porn. Kitty porn. K-I-T-T-Y, not K-I-D-D-I-E. Jeez.
I don't think that's much better, Gary.
Jeez, Gary, that's not good either. What's wrong with you?
Sorry, Gary, that's still sick. There's something wrong with you, man.
Dude's got a furry
That's a
fetish.
hot little pussy, right, Chloe?
Hey, you should hang out with my Aunt Rita. She's got 17 cats, and they're all named Dennis.
Oh, you assholes. I was just looking at outfits for Chloe, not cat porn. I was not looking at any porn. I was just looking at pictures of cats in cute little outfits. You guys are all assholes. Oh, look at
Kids
this
got cat.
Okay.
That sounds to me like you got a furry
True
fetish
story,
there, Gary.
Very freak, isn't he?
Ah!
it. I told you guys to keep busy. There was plenty to do, and you guys just screwed off all morning. And look, the only one here working is Gary. I can't ever leave you slackers alone, can I? I guess next time I'll have to hire a babysitter. You dumbasses get to work right now. And Gary? Gary! You get the afternoon off with pay, because you were the only one who listened and did some damn work around here.
Woohoo!
I mean, I was busy. I did thought about working a lot.
I got a lot of things done
Screw
today.
you, assholes! The rest of the day off with pay!
Yeah, better get back to your kitty porn, dude.
Oh, what the hell did you do with my banana? Ah.
Oh, hey, Hero, we're out of duct tape.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Rain, rain, go away.
Heroes Crew!